The Digital Teaching Skills CPD 106 session will introduce you to the university's primary video facilitation platform, allowing you to host video resources, record your own video content, and create lecture format sessions comprised of multiple sources, such as lecture slides. You will have the opportunity to follow along with the session from your own Canvas Sandbox course and see how Panopto integrates with Canvas. The functionality that we're covering in this session will equip you with the ability to upload video to Panopto, helping you to get any pre-existing resources you might have into your Canvas courses straight away, as well as provide you with a quick and simple delivery mechanism for anything you might like to record using whatever is to hand, such as a mobile device. We'll introduce the various options for event capture in Panopto, including where to go to download and install the Panopto Recorder app, or how to utilize the web-based Panopto Capture interface. We'll explore the process of how to put together a lecture session that includes multiple video sources and other components such as lecture slides, moving on to how to perform simple edits of your session. We'll also go over how to manage your recordings and the options for sharing them, plus how you can help your students get the most from your video content through making any quick and simple corrections to Panopto's auto-captioning functionality. By the end of the session, you'll be able to use Panopto to facilitate delivery of video for teaching and to capture your lectures, making them available for your students in a consistent and appropriate way that allows you to situate your video content in context within your Canvas course.